Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find features. Then let's tap on system navigation. So let me begin with the 3 buttons navigation. Obviously, here we've got the navigation buttons. Here we've got also the settings icon, so you can customize it. You can reorder the back button and the recents and decide whether you'd like to always show navigation bar or sometimes hide it. It's up to you, of course. And if you wish to set the gestures, simply tap on the gestures, tap on this option. And instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. Also, we can customize them. Just go to the settings, and here we've got much more options. So, for example, we can manage whether we would like to use the Google Gemini. We can avoid misoperation by swipe gesture. We can hide the bottom indicator just by using this switcher here. You can use circle to search and the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. All right. So now, if I'd like to explain how to use the gestures quickly. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center and release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. And make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.